What if I told you this steak bowl tastes like CAVA but for a fraction of the price? We're MK and KJ, and today we're bringing CAVA home.
Bubbles got Tzatziki, Feta, all the creamy tang.
This is hummus, fire roasted in the heat. Let the steak sit while you prep. 30 minutes or overnight if you're planning ahead. Don't crowd the pan. Let it sear and flip once for a good crust.
We build these like a system. Savory steak, creamy sauce, something bright like onion, and a citrus hit to finish. And always, always make extra for lunch.
My bowl's layered with spinach, tomato, tzatziki, and feta. So fresh and creamy.
She builds hers like a blueprint. I just toss everything in. Mine? Hummus, 5 roasted corn, pickled onions, and sriracha, bold and spicy. This one right here is always a winner in the house.
For real. I mean, it's cheaper than takeout. It's no sodium, no extra oil.
Right? And the things that you can do with the steak the next day, I mean, you can put in things like tacos, fries, if you like loaded fries, right? Who doesn't have loaded fries? And even if you're really adventurous, lomo saltado. And that's something that we might, make a video later if you guys have interest.
Oh yeah, I do love lomo. And also, this bowl is great because, I mean, you can not only do steak, chicken. For me, I love seafood, so I'm gonna do some salmon or some shrimp. He doesn't like seafood, so he just keeps with the chicken.
Right, I seafood. I don't eat seafood.
Yeah, or he just does it with no meat at all, no protein at all. So I mean, it's a very healthy, packed bowl. which is always why it's one of our favorites. And it looks nice. That's another one. It just looks really healthy and colorful.
Right. I mean, how often are you going to get this many colors in a bowl? And actually something that tastes flavorful too, you know, because sometimes when you see colors, people are like, oh man, it's healthy, it's too good, I want that, it's so green. But this, you get your greens, you get your pickled veggies, which is good for your gut, and you get like all this fiber and lean protein. So I mean, it's a win-win.
Yeah, and it's customizable too, which is good. Like, cause you can see our bowls are kind of completely different, but you know, you can add other things. Like he likes to add a lot of hot heat to it.
So hot sauce, and she loves more of that creamy tang with a little bit of a heat, but the tanginess cools it down.
Right. Yeah.
So not my vibe at all, but totally nothing. But it's cool. But it just goes to show, she has MK said, totally customizable bowl with things that you can use or already have at home.
Tag us if you make it and comment below. We want to know what ingredients you would change, what you like to add to yours. We just want to see what's out there.
And subscribe. We have so many more meals like this.